I was saying you can be given a simple exercise like this Excel. You can be told to put a border around it, and then you put 1 point. You notice if I can come here and just put all borders, I can't say how many points. You see? So if I'm told how many points, let me first undo. I've been told to put a border around the text that is called Excel, and then I put 1 point. I'll have to click on Excel, and then I come to this box. Instead of choosing from here, I'll come straight down here to borders and shading, and then I choose box, and then I choose the line style I've been told, and then I put the points I've been told. Maybe it's 1.5 points. So if I've been told to put the number of points, I can't just come straight and put it here. I'll come to this box, I'll click on the text, I'll click on this box, and then I'll choose borders and shading down here. This is the position now where I can choose the line and the width, which is how many number of points that I'm told. So it's very, very important. And then you confirm it's on paragraph, not on page. It should be on paragraph. So it's very, very important to know. If you're told how many points, put. So the best question, the answer, the question is put 1.5 points around the Excel. You come to this, and then you go to borders and shading. And then you put the line, you put the number of points, and then okay. That's very, very important. Some people miss the question because of not going through the procedure. Okay, the other thing is shapes. We are rarely asked, but you just have to know that you click on a shape, and then you can drag it somewhere there. That's rarely asked. Okay, so let's go to page layout. Page layout is also very, very important because of margins. So you can be told to put a margin of a particular size, a page margin. So you should know that a margin that is narrow is for a less important document. An important document has a big margin. And then sometimes you have a document that needs to be bound, like a book. One side will be binded, so you'll have to choose this mirrored. But if mostly the question comes, you are told to do a specific margin. So you have to come to margins, and then custom margins. Margins. I don't know why my custom margin is not speaking. Custom margins where you can adjust the margins to a customized. And when my custom margin is not working, let me have another page. So let me go first to orientation. Orientation, you can choose landscape. Landscape is wide, or portrait. Portrait is tall. So tall or wide, according to how you've been told. So these are the main things that will be asked. Orientation, margin. So I wanted to have let me look at a new page. I don't know why this is not picking. Let me share that new blank page. Okay, so I'm having a blank page. I want to go to page layout, margins. Yes, custom margins is not working. I don't know why it was not working. So you can be told top, put 3 centimeters, or left or right. So whichever place you've been told here to adjust, you adjust accordingly. If you had been told to put left of 3 centimeters, you just rub, you put 3 centimeters, because maybe they want to bind the book. So if you click on that, you'll see that the left has moved, so that maybe this side will be bounded so that it doesn't cut the text. Okay, so the other thing about margins, I think that's pretty much it. On the orientation, we've done. The size also, you can be told A4, A3. And then let me go back to my page that I had. Let me share that. You share the pink page. Yes, I'm sharing this page. So, okay. The other thing is about mail merge, mailings. So mail merge, when you're merging a document, You can be told, when you start mail merge, maybe you are told choose letters and then select recipients. So maybe I'll just say dear. I'll pretend this is my document and then select recipient. So sometimes you don't have, if you have recipients, you choose use a new list, you come. Maybe I have these recipients and then I just say open. Yeah, so it will be there. And then I'll come here to add, insert merge field. I choose title, space. The exam usually has it. And then first name, space, and then last name, insert merge field, last name. So in the exam, please remember that they are already there. You will not have to create the way we created. The exam has them already there. You've just been told, please pick the recipient. So you'll have to go to select recipients from an existing list, and then you look for it. So it can be in Word, or this is in a database. But in the exam, it's in Word. So you'll just click on it, and then you'll be able to see this, and then you add the fields, and then you can preview results, and then you can finish and merge, and then edit individual documents. When you click OK, all OK, you'll be able to see this is the first person. So I'll have to scroll to the second person. This is a very huge document. So the second person is this one, Solomon Macarios. And then I move down to the third person, Gamma Severi. So we have 3 people that I've just inserted. So mail merge is that simple in the exam. Sometimes, let me share, Mr. I didn't share.
Okay.
I didn't share. So let me go back. This is now the new document that has been produced from the old one. So this is the merge document. So if I scroll down just to see. So this is the second person, dear Mr. Solomon Macarios. And then the last one is.
So you just go to mail, you just select the recipient.
Yes, you select the recipients, and then you will put you'll be told to add the title.
So the recipients will be in the computer, the names.
Yes, they will be in the computer, the names.
So you just select the names.
Yes, you just select the names. And then that's it.
That's all.
Yes, that's all. In the exam, you'll not be told to type because it's a lot of work. You'll just be told select these names, and then you'll be told, like, let me give you one exam exercise. Let me just share the screen. Let me show you clearly how it will come. So let me remove this. So you might find the first exam question, you'll find it's written dear, title, and first name. So you'll be told, in mail merge, please add the last name below title and first name. So you'll see it's dear, title, and first name. So you'll be told to add last name. So you just come, you'll come here to say, to insert merge field, and then you choose last name. And then that's the answer. Imagine. Or you'll be told add last name and then merge it. So just add the last name. It is like,
what about the first name?
It will find already it's there.
So you
it will
mostly the number ask the last name.
Yes, or the last thing, maybe even a country. It will be insert the merge field of country below first name. So you'll have just to press enter here. You'll click below there, and then you choose what you've been told. If it's last name, you just click like that. And then you'll be told to merge it to individual documents. So just click on that, and then the big document comes. That's how the exam comes. It can't come with a place of typing. You've understood?
Yes.
Okay. So that's how it will be done. So you'll be told to add one thing. So you'll have to come to insert merge field. You add whatever you've been told, and then you finish and merge. When you finish and merge, you can't print, you can't send any email. Just edit individual documents. And then you say all okay. And then they will, now you can scroll. And that's the answer. Okay, so that's about mail merge. There's nothing much will be asked. You just know how to select, choose letters. So mostly you just choose letters, And then you come here, select recipients, use an existing list. You'll be told where it is. So you click on it and then you open. When you open, you'll now come to insert merge field and insert whichever fields you've been told, then finish and merge.
Yeah.
Yes. So I don't think there's any other question so far, but unless now you ask on your side. For me, I've touched main questions that come in the exam. So the main questions. Usually
So,
references is not tested. All of this is not tested. This is advanced word. So this is out. We've touched mailings, we've touched review, I thought of just going that way. When I did computer essentials, I thought I do it with the exam in mind so that we do it faster than just revising with the book, which is tedious. Yeah. So that's how it's done. So sometimes even drop cap, you remember drop cap? I've seen it here. Drop cap, you can be told to put dropped or in margin. So you can be told to put a drop cap, dropped or in margin. If you want maybe 2 lines, you can click on drop cap and then more drop cap options. You choose dropped and then maybe two lines. Okay. You'll find now it's covering 2 lines. Headers and footers also can be tested. You can be told to put a header. Yeah. You put a header, you'll be told maybe to type morning class. I like the way you are hardworking, sir, because you will go far. Many people are sleeping right now. Morning class, and then maybe footer. So insert footer. So you can go to a footer. So the footers are down here. So sometimes you can be told to put a footer that has what? Date and time. So default date and time, and you just click there. Default date and time, which is default? Default is the first one. Yeah, and then you click OK. So if you're told to put a footer of the default date and time, you put the first one. So you just go to footer and then you choose date and time. So sometimes also you are told to put a page number on the right side. Page number on the right side. So how do you put a page number on the right side? So insert numbers. So we want to go to page number. On the bottom of page, right side. Bottom of page, right side. This is the bottom of page, right side. You see, this is the left side, center, and the right side. If you put like that, the bottom of page, right side, it will go. So please ensure that you can put a page number on the bottom of page, right side. Once, if you want to come to the middle of the text, you have to double click. So headers and footer is that simple. The others will be just split the paragraph. You want to split a paragraph. You've been told to split this paragraph from here. Just press enter. If you are told to join a paragraph, you click on the lower side and then you backspace. So that question also comes. To split a paragraph, you'll be told to split a paragraph where it's written click. So you'll come there and then you see written place where it's written click, you press enter, the paragraph is split. If you're told to join the paragraph, maybe it was misplaced, so you just click on the back. Those are 2 questions of joining and splitting paragraphs. Yes. Undoing, redoing, I know you know how to do that. Design, I think I've touched on all of them. Page layout, let's look at page layout. Oh yeah, columns. You can be told to split, to justify, first of all. Justify, and then you can put columns. So you can be told to put 2 columns like that on a particular paragraph. Also, there's this page break. So you can be told which function is used to insert a new page. It is page break. So assume I want PowerPoint to come in a new page here. This is PowerPoint. I want this to come in a new page. So I'll come here where it's written sign. So you will notice we have insert page break. You see, There's another page layout here that has breaks and then page break. So whichever you choose is the same answer. This is page break. If I click page break, you'll see now PowerPoint coming in a new page. So it has broken the page because you know that a paragraph has to come in a new page. So I want, this one was Word. I wanted paragraph to come, PowerPoint to come in a new page. So it was like this. So I'll click here, and then on insert page break. So it will break the page, meaning that PowerPoint will come in a new page. So insert page break or page layout and then breaks and then page after clicking on that portion. So you'll have to, let me undo one more time, please, just to remind you. You click on the top part, not on here, on the top part here, and then insert. I wish that you follow this insert page break, push it down. Yes. Then hyperlink, sir. I also remember hyperlink, you can be told to put a hyperlink. So hyperlink is here. You click on hyperlink. Maybe you link it to a website. So text to display, maybe visit our website. Visit our website. Visit our website. And then maybe it's a website called www.oprah.com. All right. So when you click OK, you'll see, where has it come? Visit our website. Yes, it's here. Visit our website. So this is a hyperlink that will take us to, if you look carefully, you'll see it's oprah.com. So I'll not click because I need to share, but that's how you put it. Let me repeat one more time, sir. I'm deleting it. So hyperlink, text to display, click here to visit our site. Yeah, whichever text you'll be told, click here for more information. I think you've seen this. For more information. So you want somebody, when they click on that for more information, maybe it's a website called www.safaricom. Maybe they're selling phones. So if somebody wants more information, they'll have to go to www.safaricom.com. Click OK. So when you point there, you'll see the safaricom.com. So when you click control and click, it will take you to the website of Safaricom. Maybe you'll be able to see more phones and make this. So on your side is, for me, I am thorough. I am sure that if you go to the exam, you'll pass. Most of the questions, I've tackled them direct.
Okay.
I just look at the questions and then I'll teach you with the exam in mind. I will not be telling you many stories because the classwork, you've already done it.
Yeah.
Yes. So most of the questions I've already tackled them, even the hard ones that are challenging people. The hard ones, if you just go here, that's to remind you, on paragraph. If you click here, you'll be able to see there is one about that was challenging us. You remember it? First line.
Yeah.
So,
First line.
yes. And then
Yeah.
if you're told to put a spacing before a paragraph, you'll click on the paragraph that is below, and then before you adjust to what you've been told. If it's after, you click on the paragraph again, you say after. The other thing is about tabs. If you can be told to put a left tab of 3 centimeters or a left tab of 5 centimeters, it will be that way. You just click on the tab. You'll be told, put a tab between 1 and this word. So you click in between there, you put a left, and then you put, so it will split the words like that. There's no other challenging question so far. Not unless you have a question on your side.